You crave adventure, you crave luxury, but you crave something more, something that ignites your spirit and elevates every drive. Introducing the 2025 Acura MDX, the refresh you didn't know you needed. This isn't just another mid-size SUV. This is a game changer. The perfect blend of power, sophistication, and unexpected thrills. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into everything that makes the 2025 MDX extraordinary. Exterior design. The first thing that grabs you is the undeniably bolder look. Acura's signature diamond pentagon grille takes center stage, completely redesigned for 2025. It's sharper, more aggressive, and sets the tone for the entire vehicle. But it's not all about show. Notice the subtle tweaks to the headlights and taillights, now featuring a darker, more modern design. These aren't just aesthetic changes. They enhance visibility and contribute to a more streamlined profile. And depending on the trim you choose, you can really personalize the MDX. The base and technology package offer a sophisticated elegance, while the A-Spec package adds a sportier edge with unique wheels and a more aggressive front fascia. But if you're the kind of driver who craves pure adrenaline, feast your eyes on the MDX Type S. This beast boasts a frameless grille, darkened trim pieces, and a stance that screams performance. It's a wolf in sheep's clothing, ready to devour any road that lies ahead. Interior comfort and technology. Now, step inside the MDX and prepare to be wowed. The moment you settle into the redesigned seats, you're enveloped in pure luxury. Acura has outdone themselves with premium materials and immaculate craftsmanship. But luxury isn't just about soft leather. Notice the new, massive 12.3-inch touchscreen that takes center stage. It's a true touchscreen this time around, ditching the frustrating touchpad of previous models. The infotainment system is completely revamped, featuring Google built-in for seamless integration with your favorite apps and services. And speaking of seamless, the new Acura Watch system takes driver assistance features to a whole new level. We're talking advanced lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, and a whole suite of other technologies designed to keep you safe and confident on the road. Performance and capability. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the MDX apart: the driving experience. Under the hood, you have a choice of two powertrains. The base model boasts a 3.5-liter V6 engine churning out 290 horsepower, offering a smooth and responsive ride. But if you crave a little more excitement, the MDX Type S is calling your name. This beast features a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 pumping out a heart-pounding 355 horsepower. It's exhilarating, to say the least. And no matter which engine you choose, the MDX delivers exceptional handling. It takes corners with precision, offering a surprisingly sporty feel for a mid-size SUV. Plus, with available all-wheel drive, you can take your adventures anywhere, anytime. Family friendliness and practicality. But let's not forget, the MDX is a family vehicle at its core. With 3 rows of seating that can comfortably accommodate up to 7 passengers, it's perfect for road trips, soccer games, or anything else life throws your way. And Acura hasn't sacrificed comfort for space. The second-row captain's chairs offer ample legroom and adjustability, while the third row provides surprising adult-friendly seating. Plus, the cargo area is incredibly versatile. With the second and third rows folded down, you have a cavernous space for all your gear, whether it's luggage for a vacation or equipment for a weekend camping trip. But it's the little touches that truly elevate the MDX as a family car. We're talking features like rear sunshades, a built-in vacuum cleaner, perfect for those inevitable crumbs, and a rear entertainment system to keep the kids entertained on long journeys. Safety features. Safety is always a top priority for Acura, and the 2025 MDX doesn't disappoint. The Acura Watch suite of technologies has been further enhanced for 2025, offering a comprehensive set of features designed to keep you and your loved ones safe on the road. Voiceover details. * blind spot information system with rear cross traffic alert. * lane departure warning with lane keeping assist system. * adaptive cruise control with low speed follow. * traffic sun recognition. * new for 2025. Driver attention monitor to help detect drowsy driving. These are just a few of the features that make the MDX a leader in safety. With this advanced technological assistance, you can drive with confidence, knowing you have an extra layer of protection. Trim levels and pricing. Now, let's talk about your options. The 2025 MDX comes in 5 distinct trim levels. * base. This entry-level trim offers all the essentials for a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. * technology package. This package adds a suite of advanced technology features, including the new touchscreen infotainment system and Acura Watch driver assistance technologies. * A-Spec package. This package adds a sporty flair to the MDX with unique wheels, a more aggressive body kit, and upgraded interior materials. * Advanced package. This package combines the features of the technology package with additional luxury touches, such as a panoramic sunroof and a premium sound system. * MDX Type S. This performance-oriented trim boasts a more powerful engine, sport-tuned suspension, and a host of exclusive features designed to thrill driving enthusiasts. Pricing for the 2025 MDX starts at around $46,000 for the base model and climbs to around $65,000 for the fully loaded MDX Type S. The 2025 Acura MDX is more than just a refresh. It's a reimagining of what a midsize SUV can be. It's a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and practicality, with a healthy dose of unexpected thrills. So, if you're looking for an SUV that can handle your daily commute, conquer weekend adventures, and keep your entire family comfortable and safe, the 2025 Acura MDX deserves a serious look. It's the perfect combination of everything you need and everything you didn't know you craved. Visit your local Acura dealer today and experience the MDX for yourself. You might just discover your next automotive obsession.